My name is Josh Sisk, and I'm the curator of mammals here at the Los Angeles Zoo. So Catherine the koala is about ready to take her trip from the Los Angeles Zoo to the Palm Beach Zoo. Many species within accredited zoos are part of what's called an SSP. It's the Species Survival Plan. And the importance of this is to ensure that we have long-term sustainability of this species. Catherine would be a great match for Oz, a male koala that's in Palm Beach.
Oh, I know, I'm waking you up. My name is Kevin, and I'm one of the many keepers here at the Los Angeles Zoo. We'll be packing a nice little snack lunch. No peanuts for her, just eucalyptus this time. They sleep around 14 to maybe 20 hours. Ideally, she'll be sleeping a majority of the flight.